actually Ritik is wearing a costume.
Yeah, he's a
transformer. So first, let's do this so you can see Ritik and like over.
So he made a piece ready. There we go. Here's this one. First you put this, then you put this. This piece is what it's on. And final top. Final back top.
So Ritik's gonna build. What kind of transformer are you gonna build? Boys transformer. I think that's a good thing. Then to put this, the one piece, we need 2 pieces. With 2 pieces. Now the hands. You take some glue like this, and you put it in the correct side of the bottom. That's a fun one, Titi.
He said the second one. He was early that morning. And now we put this in the here. There we go. Like this. And then I can pull it with them. We just put this right place. If you don't have like this ready, just do the other one. There we go. Red bonbons.
The other one, same, you put it. Yes, wow. Wait, that's wrong. Like, correct side. There we go. The bonbon. Show it. Pull it. What?
You're not in the home, like we're making a video. He does this all the time. He just loves making Legos without instructions. Yeah, and he's still. Wait, are you telling what pieces are they?
And you put it again. This is the one. You have this thing. You put it this one upside down like this. If you got this, we are going to do the next one. And of course we can.
You just do it.
And put this Bangara
Really a transformer?
Yes.
I think it's a robot.
Okay, sorry. It's a transformer. It's a transformer.
He did before. That sister look. Now he's
Sister wanted food.
That's because I'm putting the song on so they hear it while we're streaming.
Not that.
Hey, sis, you're looking good.
Oh, walk like this and then walk like this.
Does Ruby want to sing after this?
No. Dancing.
You want to dance after my song? Today we're going to do 3 things actually now. Ritwik wants to dance now, okay? Ritwik's dance, Ritwik's Lego building, and my song. Actually, you know what? I think Ritwik and I should dance, both of us.
No.
What's wrong with that, Ritwik?
Put that like this.
Okay, you can do whatever you want. Even I will do it, okay?
One.
Are you telling the pieces again? How many times do I have to tell you?
And you put it like.
And you put blue pieces like that?
And you put.
Ritwik!
And you put the grass. You put the speed things.
Leafy things?
No, pea.
Bee. Yeah, He's changing his mind every time. I mean,
You are and the final.
The last one.
Yes, just one more thing.
One more thing and it's over, right? After this, I'm gonna sing my song.
We don't need this.
He's removing everything. He doesn't need that one. There you go. I'm going to only sing this the half song because it's actually getting old.
Dance!
First, you do the Lego building.
Just do the dance!
First is the singing, then the dance. You do the work, Ritwik. You take.
And you put like this Owen things.
Now is it done? After this, fast. Is it done? It's never gonna work. Is it done?
Almost done.
It's
go last. And here you go, pull it down for more. 1 second, let me just put this up. Okay, there. Oh, Rick, you're fixing it right now, you just made it.